Okay, I'm going to teach you on how to display decimal places in Python. So I have here a declaration of multiple input in Python. So as you can see here, I have two variables here, which is the A, and then we have here the B. And then again, this is equal sign, and then input, then open and close parenthesis, this is the text where the user can see the message enter two decimal numbers after running this code, and then close parenthesis here, then dot split. Okay, don't forget this code, dot split, open and close parenthesis. So it denotes a multiple input in Python. So here I have here a variable C that hold two um, decimal numbers. So I declare here as the data type float, and then open close parenthesis plus, of course, inside open and close parenthesis is the variable. So here float again for the second variable, okay, which is the B. And then I have here the print, then open and close parenthesis, double quote, then percentage here, and then dot 4 represent as the decimal places and in float, and then F, double quote, percentage, and then C, open and close parenthesis. So let's run this code to see the output. So here, so let's input this two numbers, 1.345 in space 1.2345. So for sure this code will display two decimal places, the sum of two decimal places of this two input numbers. Okay, let's run. So there you go. So we have here the four decimal places, 2.4690. It's so easy in Python.